Hello, we're back, or rather I should say welcome back to a long overdue layout update. The summer has gone by in a flash with various family responsibilities and visitors. I really haven't had much time to spend on model railways, and I'm very conscious that I think 2 updates ago I said I would do my annual tour of the layout in quote the early summer, and now we're getting to the end of August and I still haven't done it. So I'm really sorry about that, but I thought what I'd do to thank you for your patience at least is just do a very quick update of the handful of modelling tasks that I have at least managed to get completed in the last couple of weeks. One of the things which I did do, which achieves no tangible goals straight away at least, is I bit the bullet and dived into my 3D printer to work out what was wrong, both in terms of software settings, but more importantly discovered that I had a problem with the Z axis, the central thread, which raises and lowers the build plate. Fixed all that, and here's the result. Finally, just a couple of days ago, started printing again with successful prints. Just a few traffic cones and blocks and things that can start to populate the layout again. So that was a really satisfying job, although as I say it doesn't have any tangible results really to show you beyond those few prints. But I hope now in the winter to come I can start to produce some nice little models which will grace the layout. But if we just switch back to this general view, you'll see that the other thing I have done in the last couple of weeks is make some progress at Arcosa Lightweight. I'll just take the camera off the tripod for the moment to show you the workshops, which have now been painted, all the detailing of drain pipes and lighting and so on and so forth. That's all been fitted, and the model's been painted and given a first weathering. As always, I want to come back to this in due course. I'm going to add detailing inside there, probably another extra little office and some tool racks and things, and probably add some signage. And then I've got to bed it into the ground properly. This whole yard area is something which I will turn to very soon, but then track across a little bit more and you can see that I have made some progress on the overpass. First of all, just 2 nights ago I broke out my static grass applicator and finally got the embankment looking nice and unkempt, grass growing. I've added some Rix Products traffic barriers, and yes, the beginnings of the striping of the lanes and so on. So that is at least some real tangible progress on this project. I'll need to do a lot more detailing, painting of the barriers, and then I have to obviously sort out the actual bridge section. But even now, hopefully you'll agree that's made quite a big difference. And so that's it. Nothing else to show you for now, just a really quick update to show you that I'm kind of back in action. I've actually got a little spell of annual leave now for the next 10 days or so, so I promise, fingers crossed, asterisks and everything else, I promise that in the next week or so I will do my annual layout tour with a new and updated track plan and some discussions about where I would like to go with my model as we now move into the winter. So thanks very much for your patience. I hope this little update has whetted your appetite for progress to come on Fairview, and I wish you, as always, all the best, happy model making, and I will see you very soon indeed. Thanks, bye bye.